wash the underside.
Oh boy, guys,
Oh, boy.
we're moving. Look, guys, look all that water. Look.
Wait.
Oh, guys. Did you see that, guys? The wind's... and we can look up, guys. This is cool. Look at the lights, guys. That's lights.
Kwik Trip car wash.
Oh, this is our Kwik Trip car wash. And they have all the sides. This is nice. Nice. What's going on out there, guys? Guys, again, can you see the spinnies? You can barely even see it, guys. Guys, tell me if you can see it. Oh, look at that. Look at that big spinny. Is that going to be way on window, I think? Do we pull ahead?
Nope, we sit right here.
So, guys, all we have to do is sit right here. Why is it hitting the windshield?
Give it a minute.
Oh. Guys, whoa, guys, look! Look, guys!
Look.
Look! It's gonna be up there, guys! Whoa! Oh, look at the sides! Oh, guys! Holy cow! Holy! That's lost spinning. And this is Kwik Trip. Oh, you can see it in the back, guys. There's still some suds up there. I think it's going to do a second time. It's going to do a second time, I think.
Here it comes.
Oh, guys, it's coming back. You can see it back there. See? It's spinning. I think it's going to come right there. Guys, it's coming. I'm scared. I wonder what happens if you open the door right now, Daddy. Whoa! Guys! Guys, look at that! Oh! Purple lights! Purple lights! And the spin! Whoa! Whoa! Look at the top one, guys! Whoa! And look, there it goes. You can't see. And why are we moving backwards?
No, we're not moving. The machine is moving.
Oh, the machine's moving us, guys. That's awesome. And then, what's the next step, Dad?
Okay. Now a rinse.
Oh, the rinse, guys. Oh, look at that, guys. Oh no, that was a lot of water. Okay. Then there should be a dryer head, guys. See that?
I think we're going to get a wax now.
Ooh, the wax?
Now a wax.
Oh, guys, look. It's back over the head. Ooh, water. It's a flood, I think. I think that we are in a flood, guys. Jeez, guys. The car smells beautiful.
Doesn't that smell good?
Guys, I wish you could smell this. Drive ahead. And there you go, guys.
Use the blowers.
Oh,
Blow is clean.
use the blower. Whoa, let's make all the wire move up. And there, the wire from there is moving up here. I think you guys can see that. Yeah. So see those little droplets that are move up here. And there they go, back there. Wow, this is a cool process. Yeah, guys, this is what goes on inside of a Kwik Trip car wash. This is beautiful. And there's a camera right there. And it has a number on it, guys.
No, 48 seconds left. Blowing the car dry.
Oh, guys, that's a bright sun. The sun's bright. So there you go, guys. That's cleaning the car wash. That's a car getting cleaned at the Kwik Trip car wash. Bye.